Advanced Innovation Group. Introduction. What is a project? Let's begin by understanding a very basic but crucial concept. What is a project? A project is not just regular work or routine tasks. It is a collaborative effort, meaning multiple people often work together towards a common goal. The purpose of a project is to create something new, either a product, a service, or to deliver specific outcomes that are clearly defined in the project vision statement. Every project operates within certain constraints. The most common ones are time. Projects have deadlines. Cost. There's always a budget to manage. Scope. The work that needs to be done is fixed. Quality. Results must meet expectations. People, availability, and skills of the team. And organizational capabilities. How well the company supports the project. So, a project is unique, temporary, goal-oriented, and always affected by these limitations. Agile Overview. Let's begin with this powerful quote by Jim Highsmith, one of the original authors of the Agile Manifesto. He defines agility as the ability to both create and respond to change, which is critical in today's fast-paced, uncertain, and competitive business world. It means we shouldn't just react when things change, but be proactive, ready to innovate and adjust direction quickly. He also highlights a key aspect of Agile: the balance between flexibility and stability. Flexibility helps us adapt to new customer needs or market shifts, while stability ensures that we maintain structure, quality, and reliability. In simple terms, Agile is not just about speed, it's about smart, adaptable, and value-driven execution. And this slide helps us understand why Agile is needed in today's fast-evolving business world. First, markets and technologies are changing rapidly. To stay competitive, organizations must be on the cutting edge and adapt quickly. Second, there is constant pressure to reduce the time to market. Customers want products faster, and they expect innovation regularly. Third, modern tools like automation and simulation have lowered the cost of testing and experimentation, making it easier to try new ideas. Fourth, Agile helps deliver customer value at the point of sale, not just in theory or planning, but in real time with working products. And finally, traditional project methods are too rigid. Agile brings a more adaptive approach that helps teams respond quickly to change, deliver faster, and stay aligned with customer needs. This slide introduces adaptive project management, which is quite different from traditional waterfall methods. In waterfall, most of the planning is done up front, and the project follows a fixed path. But adaptive project management takes a more flexible approach. Planning is done in smaller chunks. Teams focus only on the tasks that are immediately required. Once those are completed, they move to the next set. This allows for easy adjustment if customer needs or business priorities change. Any new requirements can be incorporated in the next iteration, making the process much more dynamic and responsive. This slide explains the evolution of adaptive project management. Agile wasn't developed overnight. It was the result of years of learning and frustration with traditional waterfall methods, which were rigid and didn't adapt well to change. Over time, multiple frameworks emerged that introduced more flexibility, collaboration, and customer focus. You can see the timeline here, starting with Crystal in 1988, then Scrum in 1995, DSDM, extreme programming, and so on, all leading up to adaptive software development in 2000. These methods reflected a global realization. Project teams needed a more adaptive, iterative, and responsive way of working. That's what laid the foundation for Agile. This slide presents the Agile Manifesto, which is the foundation of Agile principles. It starts with a simple yet powerful statement: We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. From this experience, the authors identified 4 core values. These values emphasize what Agile teams prioritize: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a fixed plan. It's important to note, Agile doesn't say the items on the right have no value. Instead, it states that the items on the left are more valuable, especially in fast-changing collaborative environments. This slide outlines the 12 principles of Agile, which serve as a guide for teams to implement Agile values in real projects. Let me walk you through the key themes. 1. Customer satisfaction is the highest priority, achieved through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. 2. Agile encourages us to embrace change, even late in development, because it can give a competitive advantage. 3. Deliver working software frequently, from a few weeks to a few months, ensuring quick feedback and early value. 4. Daily collaboration between business people and developers is key to project success. 5. Projects should be built around motivated individuals. Trust them and support them. 6. Agile promotes sustainable development. Teams should be able to work at a consistent pace. 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress, not just documents or reports. 8. Face-to-face conversation is the most efficient way of conveying information. 9. Agile values technical excellence and good design, which enhances agility. 10. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. 11. The best architectures and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. 12th. At regular intervals, teams should reflect and improve, adjusting their behavior for better results. These principles help Agile teams stay focused, adaptable, and continuously improving. This slide highlights a major shift in project management thinking, from the traditional iron triangle to Agile priorities. Traditionally, we use the iron triangle of scope, time, and cost to control projects. In that model, scope was fixed, and we adjusted time and cost to deliver the defined scope. But in the Agile world, things have changed. Now, we fix time and cost, like setting sprints or budget limits, and we allow scope to evolve based on feedback, value, and learning. This change reflects Agile's core philosophy: flexibility, customer collaboration, and continuous delivery of value. Instead of locking the features up front, we adapt as we learn more from the user.